So today I cleaned out my MasterCool evaporative cooler. I should have shown you what it looked like when I started. It was nasty, but this is the product, and there's the inside. It's been cleaned now, but this was super gunked up down in here. But what you need to know is how to get that outside cover off there. On top there are 2 screws, so of course with the cover on, but you'll notice those on the top, one there, one here, and then there's 2 at the bottom. Okay, I turned this unit on its side. I couldn't really show you the screw holes before, but so if this were standing up, yeah, you look underneath at the bottom, and there's one right there where one of the screws comes from, and then the other is there. On removing that outside cover piece, when you're here on the side, you'll see these through a slot in that outside piece, and once you've taken the 2 screws out, that outside cover lifts up. Okay, so you just lift it up, kind of use this as a frame of reference. You can kind of see your progress that, yeah, I'm lifting it up. Lift it up and then pull it away from the home. The water line does not need to be removed. All of that portion stays in. So just those 4 screws, and then lift the thing up and off, and you're good to go. And then putting it back on, you'll see it latch on in there. All right. So we sprayed and used a shop vac for all this, and there was so much gunk and filth in these right here. I mean, we sprayed for probably a good 20 minutes. And cleaned it out real good. Also cleaned out the inside here. Just wiped it down because it was filthy with a bunch of dirt and dust. Back in here, of course, turn the unit off, unplug it from the inside so that no accidents happen. We also went on the inside of the house and cleaned it off on that side. Using a sponge and things on the inside, you know, you get some water drippage, and then it'll drip towards the inside of the house. So, you know, have a second person or just kind of be checking that so you don't get too messy or wet on the inside. But that's it. So it comes off pretty easy. And oh yeah, the removable unit here, I just took that over next to a tree and hosed it off, inside and out, all over. Just hose cleaned it. Hope that video helps. I was looking for something like this, showing me how to take it off and do it, but couldn't find it, so there you go.